the Bengal Tigers have certainly well and truly been tamed by the Telugu Warriors. You're watching the Celebrity Cricket League presented by Kalyan Jewellers, powered by Parle 2020 Cookies. And really, the teams from the south today in Siliguri have stamped their authority on their Celebrity Cricket League. The Telugu Warriors really coming out there full force and making it look very easy with some big hits along the way. Let's have a look at the best fours brought to you by Panasonic.
Take it so seriously. Have you seen them practicing in their drills? Do you know what goes on?
Certainly some big shots along the way, although to be fair to them, they didn't have the biggest target set for them. Just a target of 69 was set, and they did opt to field first, knowing that they'd probably be stronger chasing, which is what they managed to do. A couple of bigger hits along the way as well. Some of the best sixes brought to you once again by Panasonic. Some big shots there, getting the Telugu Warriors off their bench. Even in last season's CCL, they were a very impressive team and had stamped their authority. And Venkatesh, as an absolute leader and a captain that he has been, is pretty serious about his cricket. They lost only one wicket today. Let's have a look at the fallen wicket. This is brought to you by South Bank of India. Absolute elation there from the Bengal Tigers. It has not been an easy day for them in the field, absolutely. And when you get Venkatesh, well, that's a prize wicket because he is an absolute superstar as far as things are concerned in and within the industry. And it's been a fantastic turnout in Siliguri. We've had close to almost 18,000, 19,000 people that have come in to see their home team, Bengal Tigers, which haven't had the best start so far to this CCL. But that's what they plan to do with this season. Go to a few new venues along with two new teams that have been included as well, and Siliguri turned out to be so much fun as far as the hosts were concerned. And I think we'll have the presentation ceremony for you as well. For that, let's head over to Rohan.
We'll take a short break and come back with the presentation.
Good evening and welcome to the presentation party. We've just seen an emphatic victory for the Telugu Warriors, a very disappointing day for the Bengal Tigers. We've got a few awards to be given right now, but before we do that, let me introduce the presentation party to you all. We've got Mr. Boni Kapoor, owner of the Bengal Tigers, Mr. Arup Biswas, Honorary Minister in charge Housing and Youth Services, Government of West Bengal, Mr. Gautam Dev, Honorary Minister North Bengal Development, Mr. Sharad Bharadwaj, Regional Manager East Vedicon, Mr. Thirumal Reddy, co-owner of the Telugu Warriors, Mr. Rajesh Shah, co-owner of the Bengal Tigers, Mrs. Vandana Jain, co-owner of the Bengal Tigers, Mr. Mayank Kumar Gupta, Assistant VP and Zonal Business Head, Godrej Appliances, Mr. Rajesh Doot, Distributor Carbon Mobiles. The three awards that we've got lined up this evening is the Carbon Kamal catch first up, and that goes to Dave for a scintillating catch he took in the outfield. Dave, if you could come up. Unfortunately, Dave has left, so can I ask someone from the Bengal team to come up? I've got Jeet here, and this award will be given by Mr. Rajesh Doot. It's a lovely carbon smart tab. I'm sure Dave will enjoy it a lot. The second award to be given is the Godrej Most Efficient Player. This goes to Raghu from the Telugu Warriors for 2 for 7 in his 4 overs. This will be given away by Mr. Mayank Kumar. The third and most important award, the man of the match. But before we do that, I would like Mr. Boni Kapoor, the owner of the Bengal Tigers, to say a few words.
Well, we've had a great day where game of cricket is concerned, and amazing setup out here in Siliguri, which our team managed to put up with the support of local authorities here. Videocon Bengal Tigers would especially like to thank the Honorable Ministers, Mr. Arup Biswas, Gautam Dev, and the Sports Minister Madan Mitra, who unfortunately couldn't make it. The Government of West Bengal, the Municipal Corporation of Siliguri, the Police Department of Siliguri, the Siliguri Mahakupa Krida Parishad, the people of entire North Bengal region, and of course the people of West Bengal who've been very supportive. The crowd here has been absolutely superb, well behaved, and I'm sure maybe they were a tad bit disappointed with the result since our team couldn't do well, but I can only assure you they will only get better from here. Congratulations to the Telugu team. They were amazing and deserved to win. Today was their day. Perhaps tomorrow would be our day. I wish them luck. My boys have practiced hard. Somehow today wasn't their day. Rajesh Shah, who's been here for almost 2 weeks, has done a great job trying to get the entire resources available made to him by the authorities here in Siliguri. I'd like to thank him. Vandana ji, who's flown in here from Bangalore, has been a great support. Thanks very much, everybody. Of course, my friend, Mr. Pradeep Doot, whose company is our main sponsor, Videocon Group of Companies, the main sponsor for Bengal Tigers. Suzuki, for being as a co-sponsor. I look forward for their support and cooperation in future too. Thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you, Mr. Kapoor. I'm sure with the mentor you have in Deep Das Gupta, he'll make sure they have a lot of nets in this next coming week.
He better.
I'm sure he will. Now coming to the main award, the man of the match. It was a close call, but it goes to Aditya for his 56 not out from the Telugu Warriors. Well done, Aditya. This award will be given away by Mr. Arup Biswas and Mr. Gautam Dev. I'd like to now call upon Jeet and Venkatesh, the respective captains, to come and have a few words with us. Let me go to the losing captain first. Jeet, tough game today.
Yeah, certainly yes. Let me congratulate Telugu Warriors. They played a better cricket today and they won. And I have a question for Raghu. कि रघु कौन सी चक्की का आटा खा के आता है, लाइक हमारे साथ पिछली बार भी उसने अच्छा खेला था, इस बार भी अच्छा खेला, क्या बॉलिंग डालते हो भाई हमारे साथ जब भी खेलते हो? एंड डेफिनेटली वी विल, एज बोनी जी सेड, वील come back in the next games. We'll put up a better performance certainly, and all I would like to request the crowd, the supporters here, that keep supporting us. Siliguri, you have been fantastic, you have been wonderful, and keep your love intact with us, and we'll definitely come back.
Thank you, Jeet. One last question. Do you think the toss played a crucial factor in the game today?
No, as I said, like we also thought if we win the toss, we will bat first, but now I think it is just that we couldn't play better today. We couldn't play good today. They played better and they won.
Not to worry, every team goes through one of these days. Good luck for the tournament, and hopefully you'll do a lot better. I've got the winning captain here, Venkatesh. That smile says it all.
Yeah, it was a fantastic match, a great start for the Telugu Warriors. And I'm really glad. I have to first thank the people of Siliguri for coming and encouraging us. Thank you, Siliguri, for hosting this match for us, and you guys did a fantastic job.
You've been one of the more impressive teams in the first two editions of CCL. This season, unfortunately, in the first two editions, you all haven't really progressed further than the semi-finals. Any new strategies this year? Have you all worked a little harder on certain aspects of your game?
Well, we always have a balanced team, but I think in T20 you never know what happens. And when you've seen yesterday's matches also, such close matches. I think the one in Mumbai and Kerala. So I think in T20 anybody can win, right? But today was our day, and it is just unfortunate Bengal lost a couple of early wickets. Otherwise, they were doing a good job.
Well done once again, and hopefully you all will go a step further than the semi-finals this year. You all are one of my favorite teams in the tournament. That's all from the presentation area. Back to you people in the commentary box.
So certainly looking forward to all the action-packed weekends that are coming your way here in the Celebrity Cricket League. We've had so much fun today in Siliguri. It's been a fantastic turnout, and the people have been warm, receptive, and more than anything else, the cricket has been a lot of fun to watch, as well as a healthy dose of the glamour quotient. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you catch us next weekend on our respective regional channels as well. Until then, you take care. Good night.